Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now guys, Abongwe did post a couple of pictures of Umusa's 50th birthday celebration. And there was one picture that you posted where it had the program, you guys. And I was just like, how? Something's looking offish about this. I'm sure guys, you can see the picture on your screens right now. But we all know that Umangwabe was the one who was organizing this event, you guys. So I want to believe that even when it came to programming, she had a hand in it. Even if she didn't, it still doesn't make sense. Now, if you look, guys, there's opening prayer, bishop, someone there, but then there's like Kumano family, Yeni family, Tele family. If you remember from the episode, each and every family from the Tele family, the Yeni family, the Kumano, and the Ngwade family, everyone was called, a representative was called there to come and say some sort of speech. Now, I do remember there was someone from the Ngwabe family who actually stood up, some man who came and do a speech. But if you look at the program, guys, the Ngwabe family is not there. Ushugutumbali did not put her family to speak there, ngamasbomi. Or even if she was the one not organizing the program, whoever was organizing the program must have asked Umbali, and Umbali said, probably said which she doesn't want any of her family to talk. I was just like, Auntie, what's going on here? Umbali, why would she invite her family to an event where they are coming to celebrate Umtombeni and not put them on the program? Because at this point, I'm just thinking maybe UMC Wakwana, he just called someone from the Ngwabe family just so that things don't look awkward. But according to the program, none of them was actually called to speak. So I'm just like, Haibo guys, what's happening here? Do you think the Ngwade family has also kind of accepted, or maybe Umbali has spoken to them about her leaving? Now, if you remember past previous seasons, Umbali does seem like she is open to her mother or to her family about the way Umusa treats her, because she does say to her mother, so maybe guys, Ugeli Vele Umbali, she did say this birthday celebration is her duties. It is her way of saying goodbye, Musam Selebu. But I'm just like, guys, hayibo sithi sisana-ke umayeni ngalana angtumangwabe is usegeyithini ngempela. She is hayibo Ugel looks like ukuthi akasekho. She looks like she's gone, and I really hope that's not the case. But also Umusa on this episode, he was complaining ukuthi the Yeni family, no elders came from the Yeni family, and yes, some came, but that just goes to show what the Yeni family doesn't appreciate them Selegus. But I'm just like, Musa, do you really think you're in a position to actually say that? Because where is your family, sir? If your family could not come here, Bazok celebrate, so why would you expect that from Umayeni's family? At this point, I'm just like, it looks like these wives are finally opening up and telling their families the truth. Because I'm just like, the fact that Umayeni's family, or parents at least, or the elders did not come. One thing about some elders, guys, you're not just going to buy them with small stuff. Listen, he owes them maybe a visit or an apology of some sort, because I mean, Humayeni is staying at home. But it looks like, guys, go deep. This season, Jay, of Utanda Nestembu, guys, these issues that we're seeing, I feel like they are deeper than what we are actually seeing on TV. But anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Do you find it quite strange that Umangwabe's family was not on the program? Or do you feel like it's not that deep? Anyway, let's park it right here. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.